не говори само за себе си, но вашето красиво изкуство е като един остров. И искам да попитам, вие как се спасявате от инфлацията на образите? Има ли лек за хората в началото на 21 век?
It's a good question. How do you not drown yourself? And you have to protect yourself. And in my own life, I started protecting myself with just eliminating television from my life. And I keep drinking. When I was smoking, I smoked 120 cigarettes a day because excessive. So if I would smoke, I would still smoke a lot. And if I would drink, I would drink a lot. And if I watched television, I watch it a lot. So if I would turn on the television in the hotel room tonight, I know I would probably watch it all night long. So I don't turn it on anymore. It's like an alcoholic. You don't drink one glass, the next glass, or you don't smoke the next cigarette. So in my case, I protect myself against the avalanche of images by not turning on the television, period. If I see the remote control, I hide it in the closet. Because I know it's a disease. And, like for instance, yesterday we went to this fast food restaurant. What was it called? Happy. Happy. Stay happy, be happy.
We wanted to make him happy.
Yeah. And we were sitting at this lovely table and waiting for food, and there was a TV. It was European. Atlantic. So I was eating. Yes, it was a European Championship over Atlantic. So if there is a television set, I have to see. I cannot help it. I have to see. So I ate all the time watching. That's why I don't turn it on. You have to make your choice.
Аз съм свидетел, той не можа да си издаде яден клуб, защото гледаше непрекъснато телевизия и даде половината на пари.